Choose Spain.
Jojo Cars back with another video, man. I don't know if you guys remember me picking up the hood. I've had a lot of videos, so I'm pretty sure I did not post it yet. I'm more than couple videos behind, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's just cause there's been a lot of videos, like a whole lot of videos. So what I'm gonna do right now, so I'm about to go buy stuff for this hood. You guys are gonna see it in a second, literally. Before we start this video, make sure you guys follow the gram and subscribe to the channel. I literally gotta run to Home Depot for 2 seconds, so my wipers. Big cold start. Sheesh. Alright, so y'all see the Honda. The Honda still gotta get worked on also. So that's low-key a thing. So we got the Honda in this, and we're about to work on that hood right now. So I guess I'm about to run to Home Depot. I also did get this this right here, buyout paint thing. So you guys are gonna see what I'm about to cop right now. I need some stuff to like basically sand it down and shit to get all the access shit off the top. And I'm about to get like a whole lot of scrubbing pads and shit for that, and I think that's pretty much all you need. And just you guys will see, like, just shit to prep it. So we'll be back in a second. The garage is shaking right now, so but we'll be back in a second. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back from Home Depot, and what I'm about to pull out the bag might be a little bit weird, but we got some chalkboard paint. So I definitely got that. Put that on the G. That's gonna be funny as fuck. And then what I had to get was, cause I have this car that has like rust in certain places. So what I just got was a paint and rust stripper for like a drill. So like for these areas, I'm gonna have to like go deep. Like when I take everything off, I'm gonna have to go deep on certain areas, you know, all the areas with the rust, and then try to get those back like at least decent, and then bondo afterwards. So yeah, I'm literally gonna be taking off the lights, everything, and literally stripping this whole car, and trying to like sand it down and do everything. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna actually test out on the fender today too, maybe. So we're gonna have to take the fender off that. So right now we're gonna test it on this hood that I got from my Infiniti also. So that's basically gonna be a test dummy for me. And hold on, I'm gonna try to move everything like right here. I low-key need a stand, but I guess these wheels are gonna have to be my stand for today. Like I got one of these, but I low-key need another one if I want to do some shit on it. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out what I need to do to prop this up real quick. So but I'm honestly gonna be prepping this hood and then trying to paint it today. So that's a thing. So I'm actually gonna open this up just so I can see like the consistency of this paint, and then see if I'm able to spray it, because I did get this to spray it on. So we are going to see. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. So this is supposed to be like a black. It seems like regular paint, honestly. When you like look at it, it seems pretty decent. Hold on. So it look like I have like a blue tint on it, but I'm sure it'll be fine, right? I don't know. Yeah, so like I made sure I try to get black. I'm pretty sure that's like one of the only colors. There's also a green that I might get later, but I might get the spray paint version of the green. So if they even have the spray paint version, I wouldn't even be able to tell you what that was just now. But yeah, so I'm about to move this over again. I just want to look in there, so I'll be back. All right, so I don't know if y'all could tell, I already started. I got a sanding block right here, and this hood is like low-key really bad. So I'm trying to get it where you don't feel any of these lines, basically. So I'm just going in. I'm gonna just talk as I go, but I'm just going in trying to get section by section, just trying to make sure everything is smooth and flat. I'm literally gonna go over this thing like 4 or 5 times before I even get it down. So basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna sand everything down and then repaint. So he's like, look, this is all really bad. And you can hear that. You see the red coming out. Yeah, rim bad. Really bad. Okay, I'm about to do this everywhere. I just wanted to show like the starting process and everything. So that you guys posted on what I'm doing before I do it. You know I started already or whatever, but yeah, I just want to you guys posted on everything. Really, I know it looks bad now, but it's gonna get there. Like literally everything's gonna get smoothed down and painted. I'm gonna try to make everything look as good as possible, as good as I can be, but there's like so much I could do, you know what I'm saying? So honestly, like if this is going on the G, you gotta look decent enough to be on the G. It can always come off, but this is honestly all a learning process and all a learning curve. Look like this whole piece. So you don't have to get sanded down or nothing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna continue this process. Literally afterwards, I'm gonna wet sand it, wet and soap it. So I use soap and this scuff pad. After I'm done like making everything super smooth, I'm gonna go finer and then try to get soap. Look at my hands, all from the dust. So look, that was like a 2-minute thing. This has already been like a 2-3 minute video. So not 3-minute video. This is like probably at like 5 minutes right now. I'm tweaking, but trying to think. But yeah, I'm gonna just continue this so that I don't take too much time. I already have to leave in like about 30 minutes or so, and then get back to it. Like I've been dragging this for weeks. I've been trying to do this since Monday, and just haven't had time. But we're working on it. We're working. Hopefully we can finish by this weekend. Today's Thursday, so I have tomorrow. Yeah, I just have tomorrow to try to get this to work. And then there's like a car meet that I would have to get entered in by tomorrow if I get it to work. So we will see. I'll be back finally. I just talked for like a good fucking minute, so I'll be back. All right. Like it's so much dust. So what I've been doing is making sure like you don't feel anything and everything is fucking as smooth as can be. Feel with your hands where it's like rough and shit. But for the most part, it's pretty smooth now. Honestly, I'm going over it like twice. This is only my first pass so far, and alright. But this is literally only the first pass, and this is with 80 grit. So this is the roughest pass that I'm gonna have. This might be a long video. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This might be a long video. Look at my hands. Oh, that's crazy. Dusty as hell. Y'all see the shirt that I'm wearing though? Hey, shout out Mook and the V. Yeah, I know you watching, boy. And when you watching, you better comment down in the section that you watching, boy. Cause I know you watching. He be staying consistent. So go mess with his channel. Mook and the V. Look at that. I got his shirt, his merch. And go copy out some merch. Then copy out some of my merch. But honestly, that is one of my first passes. I'm going to pass over it like one more time with 80 grit, and then after that I will be doing, I think it's 100 grit, and then after that I'm going to be wet sanding with one of these scuff pads. After the wet sand, I think I should be cool to paint. I don't know what I'm doing really, so we just testing shit out. We got chalkboard paint for our car. Let's be serious here, all right? So yeah. So we gonna see. We're gonna be back. I might actually have to take an intermission to go do some more work for somebody else. So this is like literally the grind. I'm literally checking a car for somebody or something like that. So like honestly, bro, this is just a grind that I'm doing. So stay tuned to what happens, and I will be back when I can. Alright, y'all. I know y'all hear that copyright, so I'm gonna make this low-key fast. I'm on using, you'll see that 100 grit, and this thing looks decent. It's pretty smooth now, but we still got some more work to damn do. That's the thing. This is BS, but it's smooth though. Says she wanna fuck it. All right, let me stop. All right, I'm gonna have some music in the back, so it's not even that bad. So but I'm gonna keep busting at this shit. It's annoying as hell, and I still got a lot more to do. What's it called? Right now I gotta hit it with, after 100 grit, I think I'm on the little thing, so I'm about to start wet sanding. I'm about to get soap and water and just wet sand this thing, and then wet sand it again with just the fine one or whatever. So I'm not even gonna show the process because I already started sanding it, and I don't want this to be like crazy long, but I want to do it because I'll probably show the process. I don't know, but just stay in tune to what I show, and then I'll just show you guys like after. It's basically a lot of fucking rubbing. Like basically what I did the beginning of the video is just literally that, just in more stages with different sandpaper. So alright, y'all, like 12 hours later. Alright, so I figured out, I don't know if I can see that, this shit is real carbon. So I just low-key like scuffed them all down to as much as I could get it, and I got some clear coat, and I just obviously just taped around it. Hopefully I can make it look decent, but we'll see what the fuck happens. But I'm about to literally just clear coat it. I just want to keep you guys updated. And another thing, this is pretty soft, so I did this with a wet after 180 and 100, and it's pretty soft, like soft enough to paint. And then after this I'm going to hit it with, I think 220 grit. Yeah, I have some 220 grit that I'm gonna hit it with, and then I'm gonna wet sand that also. So it's gonna be really smooth. So I'm just updating it. I'm gonna actually do this in the garage so that I don't like things are falling on the hood right as we speak. So I'm gonna do it in the garage. I'm gonna probably put this right here. If I show it, I will, but I might honestly just show the after, since this is probably already so long. So stay tuned. I mean, this is all like rattle can shit, so like I tried to do the best that I could, low key. That's just a clear, so I just did a clear coat on it, and this is how it came out. Like you could kind of see the dirt nibs on it and shit, but I mean, like, it's better than what it looked. It was just regularly black. Like, it's not wrapped, it's real carbon, so not much people could really trip too much, but we'll see about wet sanding and buffing. I don't know, but it came out decent. we'll see how it dries. But honestly, it's looking good. It's looking decent, like, at least for what it is. I'm trying to figure out right now, low-key, if I could park my car over here. But low-key, this is like drying. So, and then after that, I'm gonna have to probably mask that off tomorrow, cause I'm honestly have to wait until tomorrow to finish this. So, to actually start painting the actual other paint. So, I guess we're gonna wait for these to dry. And I don't know how I'm even gonna mask them off, because I don't really want to touch it too much, you know what I'm saying? Like I might just cone it off or some shit, like make a little cone. It's really hot and humid and outside and stuff, so this is like the perfect weather for that. I know that for sure. I just did a detail in the middle of this also, but yeah, I can see the dirt nibs popping up like crazy. Super crazy. It's whatever though. Hella dirt nibs. But like half of it is not even my fault. Cause it's just like deep scratches and shit. But honestly, it looks better than what it did. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can see the nibs in that for sure. I know y'all can from the camera. But oh well. And then we about to add that chalkboard spray paint hopefully tomorrow. Once again, I have to figure out how to mask off the vents. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm sure I'm gonna figure something out to mask that off real quick, and I'll probably like paint around it or whatever I didn't hit lightly. And yeah, because I care for functionality out of this more than like I kind of care for the look. I kind of want it to lay looking good. I didn't expect these two like that much, or to have to like work on them that much, but I have them obviously, and I don't know. I guess we're gonna just see what happens after those dry. I'm gonna just leave and go eat and go get my life together, edit some videos, because I'm probably like a couple of days behind, especially for this. Yeah, so I'm about to edit and stuff and go do some stuff, wait for that to dry. I don't want to touch that until I don't know when, but I'm not going to touch it. And yeah, so I guess I'll see you whenever I turn the camera back on.